Hey guys, in this course we are going to learn about the Linux basics. Now as you already know, Linux is one of the important operating system that you need to be aware of, whether it's your DevOps journey or whether it's your data scientist journey or whether it's your data engineer journey. The reason because most of the servers will be running on Linux, and hence it is very important that you understand the basics. You don't have to become an expert over there in the Linux operating system, but the agenda is make you aware of the basic commands so that when you see the code you will be comfortable and you'll be comfortable to work with it in the field that you're currently working with. So in this course you'll be learning about the basic directory operations that you can do with the Linux operating system and the various file operations that you can do with the Linux. And along with that, you'll also learn about the directory permission. So this is one of the very important topic when it comes to interview, guys. So file and directory permissions is one of the important topic and we will be covering that as well. Okay, so this course is an hands-on course, which means you are expected to run the codes along with me so that you can better understand the topics that we are covered over here. So thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the lesson 1.